Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing? I miss you guys a lot. I know that we are almost done with the year, and it's a different kind of year for us, but you know what? We're going to make the best out of it. I just wanted to let you guys know that on Friday we have a Google Classroom meet. So you have to log into Google Classroom so you can see all your friends and you can see me and Miss Etta, our reading teacher. And we're gonna do some work as well as play a game. So please come on to Google Meet on Friday at 2 p.m. Today we're gonna look at a lesson. One of our friends brought this lesson up to me, and I think it's a good way to revise what we have already learned. It's about fact families, and I'm gonna show you. You should be able to see it. Now write 4 different facts. Do you remember this triangle? It had 3 numbers on top, right? And I'm gonna use my pen to draw this number up here is the sum, right? That's the sum. So we are going to write the sum in the box here. We know one number, that is 2. I'm going to use a different color for this. But we do not know the other number. So we're going to write our 2 here. And we're going to think, how do I find this missing number? So this number here and this missing number here is going to give us the answer 5, or the sum 5. These two numbers, 2 plus the missing number, equals 5. So what is the missing number? What number do you add to 2 to get 5? So I'm going to be very basic and I'm going to draw dots. So I have 2 dots plus I don't know what equals 5. So how many more dots do I need to make 5? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I already had 2. I needed 3 more. So my missing number is 3. How can we write this a different way if we still want our answer to be 5? We are going to turnaround rule. Do you remember the turnaround rule? You are going to simply switch the numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. Now there are more facts that we can write. So now our 5, or the sum, is going to go over here in the beginning. And we're going to write 2 more facts that we know from these equations that we already found out. So we're going to use the addition to write the subtraction facts. So 5 minus, now you pick any of these numbers. You have 2 and you have, I'm going to erase this here. Right, I'm going to put the 3 because now we know this is 3. So we could pick any of the numbers, 2 or 3, and we can put it in here. So I have 5 fingers, I take away 2, I have 3 left. And I'm going to write 3 here. I can do the same thing again. I can write 5 and I can subtract. What number is left? We used 2 already. We could use 3. Let me check now. Again, I have 5 fingers. I take away 3. I have 2 left. I don't even need to do that anymore, right? I don't even need to solve it. I know that it's a fact family, and all of these 3 numbers make 4 different equations or 4 different facts. Let's try another one. Here we have 8. So 8 is the sum. And we have one number that we know, which is 5. And we do not know this number here. So we have to find that out. And I am going to write 8 here because 8 is the sum. And 8 is the sum here too. Right? I know one number, which is 5, and I have to figure out what the missing number is. So I'm going to use the same method. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to put a circle around it because I know that number. It's already there. How many more dots do I need to draw to get 8? So I have 5 here, 6, 7, 8. I needed 3 more. I'm going to erase this. Oops, and I have 3 there. So what number do I put in the first equation here in this missing box? I put 3. 3 plus 5, 1, 2, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. I get 8. Now I could write another equation by using the turnaround rule. And oops, let's undo that. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna write 5 here when I turn around and 3 on the other side, other box. So 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5 give me 8. Now do you remember that we always subtract from the bigger number? So the bigger number here is 8. So I'm going to write that there. I'm going to write it again here. So what two numbers do I know? I have 8 and then I have 3 and 5. So I could write any of those numbers here. 3. Now I'm going to count backwards, okay? So let's start with 3 and count on our fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more I needed? 5. Did I need to even do that? I don't think so, because I know the 3 numbers make a fact family. So the next one I have is 8 minus, I know now I'm going to write 5 here without even thinking, and my answer is going to be 3. I hope you get it. If you don't understand this, you can message me and I can help you out further, but practice this. I'm going to ask everybody fact families on Friday. All right, that's going to be our topic. All right, enjoy your day, my friends. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me.